Hello guys, welcome back to Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add cold lab effect on CapCut apps. Now let's get started. First, open the CapCut apps and click new project. Add the video that you want to edit, this one, and click add at the bottom. Now I will show you this is the original video like this. But in here, I wanna add cold lab effect. So just click on the effect at the bottom, click video effect, and at the menu you can swipe until you can see dark menu. Dark, this one. Click on it. And in here you can see cold lab, this one. And click on it. And click check icon. Now set the effect until the end of the video. In here you can adjust the effect, so just click on the adjust at the bottom. You can adjust the range. You can adjust the intensity. You can adjust the filter. And then you can adjust the speed. And after this you can click check icon at the bottom. And now finish. So how to add cold lab effect on CapCut apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Happy editing guys. Bye bye.